Round 1. Create a magic ring. Work 5 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Round 2, chain 3. Single crochet in second chain from hook. Half double crochet. Slip stitch. Repeat steps 1 to 4 5 times. Slip stitch to join. Thread 3 little pearls on fishing line and fold it in half. Now, poke it through the center of your petal. Start at the petal base and wind that yarn around. Wrap yarn around a small section of wire. Fold that wire and keep wrapping. Use this method for all your flower centers, big or small. Take each flower and pop in its heart. Grab your flower stem and start adding those mini bouquets in order. Keep wrapping all the way down to the bottom of the stem. When you reach the end, seal the deal with a tiny dab of glue.